Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Sphalerite and Astroneer. This is going to be useful for making zinc, and zinc can later be used to make stuff like batteries, which can be used to store power, excess energy in your base and make your electricity grid more stable. So to begin, first of all, Sphalerite can be found on 2 planets only. First of all, the starting planet Silva, it can be found inside of caves, and on the moon of Silva it can be found inside of mountains. So, first of all, go to a cave with a rover or just your mining tool, and you should find these kind of crystals, these purple and blackish crystals. When you aim at them with the mining tool, it should say Sphalerite. So just go ahead and mine it with your mining tool in hand, and when you hear this kind of pop, it should be added to your inventory. And then you can just process it inside of the smelting furnace to get zinc out of it. So this is pretty much all. How to get Sphalerite in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.